Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best folding tables that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Adams Manufacturing 8500-48-3700 plastic folding table. The Adams 8500-48-3700 is another top-quality folding table that is designed to serve you better and longer. The table is perfect for outdoor activities since it has a UV inhibitor that will make the colors very bright and eye-catching in the sun. This, therefore, implies that the table is suitable for use in the chaise lounges, Adirondacks, and patio chairs among others. To ensure a longer-term service, the legs of the table are made from a quality steel material and durable resin that is both peel and rust resistant. This is one of the ultimate folding tables you will find very amazing. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Cosco Folding Espresso Wood Folding Table. Would you love to enjoy a significant discount on the folding table you are looking forward to buying? In case you do, then this is a smart folding table for you. It is a high-quality table now available at a discounted price you don't want to miss. The folding table folds flat and compact, giving you a lot of ease to carry. Besides this, it has a smart design that enables it to coordinate with many folding chairs. Why miss out on this? Give it a try by ordering it now, and you will find it a classic folding table. At number 3, we have the Cosco Deluxe Fold-in-Half Folding Table. The Cosco Deluxe Folding Table is one of the ultimate folding tables that you will find very ergonomic and suitable for all your needs. This is because it is an all-season table. You can use the table for both indoor and outdoor activities. It is designed uniquely and easily folds to allow for easy portability. Apart from this, the elegant folding table has a carrying handle and a secure lock for easy carrying and keeping it closed when transporting respectively. Despite being one of the most recommended folding tables on the market, it is relatively cheap and affordable, hence a perfect choice for all. At number 2, we have the Cosco 20x 48 inches resin top folding tables. The flexibility of a folding table is always a crucial factor that you need to consider when buying a folding table. For the most flexible and elegant folding table, then this is an excellent choice. This is because the table can be used for both outdoor and indoor activities. It is also relatively lightweight, meaning you can easily carry it with you. It is a friendly table on the floor surface since it is non-marring, hence your floor is always protected. Give it a try today, and you will find out how much you have been missing. And finally, at number 1, we have the Lifetime 4428 Height Adjustable Folding Table. This Lifetime 4428 is a smart and adjustable folding table that you can quickly adjust to 3 different height settings of 22, 29, and 36 inches. This means that the intelligent table can accommodate kids, adults, and even people with disabilities. Besides being adjustable, it also has a convenient carrying handle to allow for easy portability. It has a largely molded tabletop that can comfortably accommodate you and other friends or family members. The legs of the table are made from a high-quality and durable steel, which will serve you for the longest time possible. Get started with it today for excellent and reliable services. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.